Hello everyone, it's 19th December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. The first page we have, looking to expand market access. India inks free trade pact with Oman. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have live-in relations not illegal. States duty to protect. Extra leave for 12 women. Again, very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have no respite in sight. Delhi AQI worsens, likely to turn severe over weekend. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have BS6 only. Police go slow on day one of Delhi traffic curb. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have Bengal to name job scheme after Gandhi. Mamata hits out at Prime Minister over Gram G bill. Again, very important for political and governance perspective. Then we have Rajnath Dutch. Foreign ministers meet in Delhi, hold defense talks. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have domestic market stagnant. Japan's mega bank set sight on India. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have the Islam State's long shadow on Australia. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have India-Russia logistics agreement with eye on Arctic, Indo-Pacific. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page where we have Manrega was the ground beneath our feet. It's slipping away. Again, very important editorial. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have Australian Prime Minister promises crackdown on hate speech. Then we have wanted to get him down, Indian origin man who had Christian shooter. Then we have Israel hits Lebanon as the deadline looms to disarm Hezbollah. Then we have Turkey warns Ukraine and Russia over Black Sea security. Then we have China snaps US plan to sell arms worth $11.1 billion to Taiwan. All these things are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the economy page where we have new bill pushes for larger SEBI board, stricter conflict of interest safeguards. Then we have how Oman trade deal adds heft to India's West Asia strategy. Then we have SEBI plans to revamp M&A rules to protect retail investors, expedite deals. All these news are very important for economic perspective. And that is it for today. I'll see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.